Hey everybody, it's Thiersch here in Chicago, and today we're going to talk about Florida law, Florida med spa law, which is kind of an interesting state when it comes to how things work. There's some rules that are very favorable to Floridians, and there are some rules that are not so favorable. On a general level, the one main difference is that in Florida, unlike many states, anybody can own a med spa. So you don't necessarily have to be a doctor to own. You can be a regular person, you can be a nurse, you can be a PA, whomever it is, provided you don't violate any of the anti-kickback and fee-splitting laws that are also in place. The main thing to remember is that even if you are a non-doctor and you own a med spa, the doctor is the one who must be in control of medical treatment. So they are very, very strict about that, but there's no restrictions, which is great if you're looking to get into the industry. One of the other issues that is very tricky in Florida that I want everyone to watch out for is the injection of Botox and injectables. There's actually some conflict where the Board of Nursing has issued a few opinions where they have said that only PAs, nurse practitioners, and doctors should be injecting Botox and fillers, not RNs, which is something that's a little bit different from a lot of states. The Board of Medicine doesn't really have an opinion on it, so it's been the Board of Nursing that has been taking that stance. We're looking into it a little bit further, but I would be very, very cautious if you're an RN as far as injecting. Some of the other things that are out there, make sure that you are conscious of how you are compensating your staff and dealing with the flow of money. The state of Florida is pretty strict when it comes to percentages, paying percentages, as well as relative to the referral of patients. They've got a very strong and active anti-kickback rule. So you want to be a little bit careful with that when you're talking about compensation. Otherwise, though, they're a pretty progressive state. Anybody can own, and that's great. We'll have more information on our boot camp in Orlando in November, which you should totally come to, and we'll possibly do some more information online. Talk to you soon. Thank you very much.